Alrighty, y'all. Happy holidays. I know y'all ain't seen the cooking journal in a while, but this time of year, I'll be doing a lot of cooking for a lot of people, a lot of different events, and a lot of big things that's going on this year. And unfortunately, you know what I'm saying, we had a death in the family, you know what I'm saying, and we got funerals going on, and I'm going to be cooking for that there. So probably won't be as many videos from now to the end of the year, but I am helping y'all have a happy and safe holiday. But let me just show you some of the things I'm cooking right now today. If you're watching this video now, this is on Thanksgiving. I'm not having no traditional turkey and dressing, but come on, I'm gonna show you how to cook something too. Now come here right now. Now I got me some beans on right now that I'm doing right now. But actually, I'm concentrating on doing this cabbage dish. Now this is a cabbage dish. This is a baked cabbage. A lot of people was asking me about this baked cabbage, and they say it's real good. Now this is a small cabbage because I'm only cooking it just for me. So you have to kind of base your ingredients on how much cabbage you're gonna have. But you're gonna need a stick of butter, and real butter. You're gonna need onions and bell pepper, rotel, black pepper, white pepper. You're gonna need your favorite Cajun season. Now, I'm gonna use a little Italian sausage. Now, I ain't gonna use this whole pack because this is small. Probably this is a little smaller than this Italian sausage. A little piece of this ground meat, a little of this here jalapeno sausage, and some bacon. And that's gonna be it. And then, you know what I'm saying? I made a couple of desserts. Check this out here. Now, see, I made my sweet potato pie, and as you see, it comes out real good right there. But I got a very special dessert coming up. Matter of fact, right when you see this here, now check this out here. This is my chocolate cake that I made. I had somebody, whoa, make me a chocolate cake. So I got that already made for that there. And you know, I'm cooking some chillings back here. Look at that. You already know, man. I got to have my chillings. So, but this is a special event. I'm going to show you how to do this cabbage. That's about the only thing I'm going to show you on this video. And I hope y'all have a happy and safe holidays. Cook in general. Ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cook in General. Hey, we getting this meal wrapped up because it's just gonna be like a side dish. But come on, let me show you what I did already. Now, you see, I got my Italian sausage, I got my ground meat, and my regular sausage. I got my onions and bell peppers cut up in there. Now I added my white pepper, I added my black pepper, and I added my favorite Cajun or Creole season in here. And it's already ready to go. Now, I got my bacon right here. Now, I'm gonna take my bacon, I got my oven set for 350. I'm gonna set this counter to the side, like that. Now, on my cabbage, as you can see here, I added half a stick of butter. So I cut it in 4 corners, put half a stick of butter in there. I added my onions and bell pepper. Now, I seasoned it only with white pepper and your Cajun season. Now, you're gonna take your cabbage, because you're gonna bake it. And you're gonna cover it up. Now, you probably say, why I got this much meat in here? Because some of this meat is going in my beans, but some of it's going in this cabbage too. But I'm gonna bake it on 350. Okay, we're gonna let it go. Now, get this stuff together. Cook in general. Ask somebody. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the Cook in General. Now, come here. We almost got this done. Now, check it out. Now, you get your cabbage. Now, you see, I got it laid out. I got it laid out like that there now. I baked it. Now, I got it about halfway done. Now, what you want to do now? Now, I got my Italian sausage, my ground meat, and my bacon, and my jalapeno sausage, and you want to scrape that in there over there, just like that. Get it about halfway. When you get about halfway done, halfway tender, you don't want it all the way. You want to scrape that in there just like that there. Put that in there. All right. Now, what you want to do now, you want to add a couple of caps of vinegar. That's 1. That's 2. Couple caps of vinegar. Now, you want to close it up tightly now, because now you want to go ahead and cook, and you want to go ahead and all get tender and get done. So you put that in there, set your oven. Now, you want to take your oven up from 350, and we're going to take it up to 400 degrees and let it cook. Look at this cornbread. That's homemade cornbread. Man, I know it's Thanksgiving, y'all. I hope y'all have all my other stuff coming out really good. This is going to come out good. If you like this kind of stuff, you're going to love it. Cook in general. Man, you know what? Let me show y'all this right quick. Man, look at that. Them chili beans there look so good. Now you can check this out too. Look at that. Them chili look so good. Boy, I tell you. You might want to just ask somebody. Alrighty, y'all. Welcome to the Cook in General. I got one more thing I need to tell y'all. I should have told y'all this first, but come on, let me show you this here. I got the oven turned to 400. Now, your pot is already hot. Now, you see I'm using a glass dish. Now, I'm going to also use hot water. This hot water, don't use no cold because this glass is already hot. put you in the hot water. What can I say, man? Hey, I could have cut that out and y'all would have never seen it, but I gotta keep it real with y'all because y'all watching this here. Now, that never happened. I done cooked all over the world. That never happened when you use hot water. Maybe. I think I should have done one at 350 instead of putting it at 400. And I just shattered the dish. But luckily the food is not hurt because it was in the fall. It didn't do nothing. But, okay, don't use a glass pan. You just see what happened to me. Okay. Now, I got my hot water already off in here. Now, I'm gonna steam it, the rest of it. You see I still got it covered up. We're gonna put it back off in there with the water that is steamed. Still got it at 400. Man, cooking general, man. Hey, I make mistakes, man. Come on now. I ain't no chef. I ain't perfect. But you better ask somebody. There we go. We finished. Come here. Check it out. There we go. Our baked cabbage. You can see it's tender with the Italian sausage, ground meat. I like cooking in a pot. Now, I know we had a little misfortune earlier. I'm glad to do this video. I really am. And I want to help y'all, tell y'all happy holidays from the Cooking General. And y'all can now go put this video up and show you how I messed up. Y'all don't put it in a glass bowl and y'all can talk about it. Put in a comment. Let me feel bad. Because I should do better. I'm a Cooking General. Till next time, ask somebody.